In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and reuse a draft email in Outlook. If you've already written an email draft and want to use that content again, Outlook gives you a couple of simple ways to do it. One option is to copy the text from an existing draft into a brand new message. The other is to save that draft as a reusable template, which is especially helpful if you send similar emails on a regular basis. I will walk you through both methods clearly so you can choose the one that works best for you. To copy a draft email, start by opening Outlook. Go to your Drafts folder and open the message you want to use. Once the draft is open, click inside the body of the email. Then select all of the text by pressing Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac. After that, copy the selected content by pressing Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac. Now create a new blank email by clicking New Email. Click inside the message body of the new email and paste the copied content by pressing Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. At this point, your email body should appear in the new message exactly as it was in the draft. Keep in mind though, that this method only copies the body text. You'll need to manually add the subject line again, and if the original draft had any file attachments, those will also need to be added back manually. If you want a more efficient option for repeated use, you can save the draft as a reusable Outlook template. Open the draft email you want to keep. Then click File and choose Save As. In the Save As window, look for the Save As Type drop-down menu. Change it to Outlook Template, with the file extension .uft, and save the template to your computer in a location you will remember. Later, whenever you want to reuse that draft, go to the main Outlook window and click the Home tab. From there, select New Items. Then More Items. And then choose Form. In the window that appears, change the look in drop-down to User Templates in File System. You should now see the template you saved. Select it and click Open. Outlook will create a new email based on that template, so you can quickly review it, make any edits you need, and send it out without rebuilding the message from scratch. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.